Bradshaw. I'm getting some new thoughts. That's a crazy comment to put on TikTok, brother. Up 2026. 2026 is your year, Chrissy. You kill it. Fuck yeah. HT W mute W mod. Sash, where are you from? From Canada, where are you from? I'm from the Great White North, right? Like up above the States, the big landmass that the rest of the world hates. But we're like above that, fucking north, I guess. A big patch of trees where everybody's bored to death. We're just chilling up here. We're sipping syrup, playing hockey. Before we learn to walk, we could cross-check properly. You're in Buffalo? Go Bills. I'm not even a Bills fan, but I love Josh Allen. Why is he thirst trapping us? I'm fucking sitting at my desk. How am I thirst trapping you? Me too? Fuck yeah, fuck yeah. Do I post thirst traps? Quite a few. But right now, am I playing thirst traps? No. I'm playing fucking Werewolf by Night on stream. You know what you're doing. I'm playing a fucking video game, you fucking goofy guy. You fuck with Letterkenny. I've actually never seen Letterkenny. My buddy's in it though. Letterkenny's based off his town. A tiny town called Atwood, Ontario. Let's see, Cookie. Fuck, is this one an easier path? No, this one's still fucking so stupid. Why are these so difficult? Just rockin' plaid jackets, chainsaws we operate in. But yeah, guys, all my links are in my bio. Go check that stuff out. And yeah,